Let's start. Ready?
Baby, oh, baby,
Well, say it.
Dustin Bear's mine.
Is he?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with him?
Kiss him.
Are you? You want him to be your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Why? Because why?
I don't know.
You think he's so cute?
Yeah.
He's mine. He's going to be my husband. Just kidding. He's yours. He's all yours. Because you're so cutie patootie. Don't give me that look. What are you doing?
Doing it.
Why? Who were you just talking about? Stop. Chloe.